Yeah. Yeah, so it's one of those things, like I say, I know you said I answered the question, and it is one of those things that it's like it all kind of ties in together. But in terms of strategy, I guess that's one of the main things, is terms of like looking at the keywords, looking at how established the business is and things like that, and then altering the strategy to be that. So for example, like I say, if you are a shop in London, your strategy is going to be focused more on like location-based optimization. So it's making sure that then we're looking for keywords that are localized, looking for, you know, things that people are searching in that local area to then get your website ranking locally. Again, it could be that you're in like a highly saturated industry like us, we're in marketing, so it's a very popular industry. There's millions of people out there doing it, so it's really hard to compete for specific keywords. For example, if I was to try and rank for the keyword marketing, it would be near on impossible, because I'm trying to rank and compete against, you know, world leading industries. Even people like HubSpot, for example, they would be ranking for that better because they're more established. So it's about looking at that strategy of what are the, you know, who's the audience you're trying to target, what is the purpose of what you're wanting to be found for, and then looking at, you know, specific keywords to then help you get your website ranking in the right way, that you're not going to just have keywords on there that are not going to bring traffic in because you're not going to rank, but it's making sure that you find the right keywords to be able to get your website ranking in some way to then get you on page 1 of Google.